everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage cottage inspired home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage cottage inspired home decor is a cozy decorating style that combines the charm of old-fashioned vintage pieces with the warmth and comfort of a countryside cottage. It creates a home that feels welcoming, nostalgic, soft and lived in, rather than modern and perfect. This style often includes ordered furniture, floral fabrics, handmade decoration, soft colors, antique-inspired accessories, and natural materials. The goal is to create a beautiful and romantic atmosphere filled with character and timeless beauty. Here are some key features of Vintage Cottage Decor. Soft, neutral and pastel colors like cream, white, dusty pink, shade cream, helium and beige. Uses districts or antique-style wooden furniture. Use floral prints, lace curtains, crochet accents and ruffled fabrics. Use cozy textiles such as knitted blankets and vintage quilts. Use open shelves decorated with old dishes, teacups, books, and small plants. Rustic touches like wicker baskets, wooden trays, and aged metal accents. Use warm lighting from table lamps, candles, and vintage candelights. Handmade decorations that add a personal and charming feeling. Vintage cottage decor mixes elegance with comfort. Rooms are designed to feel relaxed, warm, and full of memories. Even small details like old clock, embellished pillow, or vintage mirror can help create the cottage look. Popular materials used in this style: natural wood, linen, and cotton fabrics, wicker and rattan. Also uses ceramic and porcelain accessories, iron and aged brass finishes. Many people also combine this style with farmhouse decor, shabby chic decor, and English country decor or crown-maker aesthetic. Vintage cottage-inspired homes feel calm, cozy, feminine, and timeless. It is perfect for people who love nostalgic beauty, handmade touches, and comfortable living spaces. Vintage cottage inspired home decor is all about creating a home that feels warm, peaceful, romantic, and full of old-world charm. It takes inspiration from countryside cottages, antique treasures, and cozy family homes from the past. The style celebrates comfort, simplicity, and beauty in everyday living. The overall feeling of vintage cottage home should feel cozy and welcoming, soft and relaxing, collected over time instead of newly designed, personal and full of character, bright, airy, and comfortable. The rooms often look naturally imperfect, which adds charm and authenticity. Furniture style. Furniture in vintage cottage decor often looks aged, ornate, or antique-inspired. Common furniture choices: distressed wooden tables, whitewashed cabinets, vintage dressers, slip-covered sofas, rocking chairs, rustic dining tables, and open shelving units. The furniture is usually comfortable rather than formal. Next, fabrics and textures. Soft fabrics are very important in this style. Popular materials include linen, cotton, crochet, lace, quilts, and knitted blankets. Use floral prints, gingham, and delicate embroidery. Are commonly used for curtains, pillows, and bedding. Decorative accessories. Accessories help bring personality and nostalgia into the space. Popular decor items: vintage clocks, old books, candle holders, ceramic pictures, antique mirrors, floral arrangements, wicker baskets, teacups and dishes. Handmade crochet decor. These little details make the home feel charming and lived in. Next, kitchen style. Vintage cottage kitchens are cozy and practical. Common features: open wooden shelves, farmhouse sinks, vintage jars and containers, floral curtains, wooden cutting boards, hang copper pots, fresh flowers and herbs. The kitchen often becomes the heart of the home. Next, bedroom style. Bedrooms in this style feel soft and romantic. Common bedroom elements: floral bedding, layered quads, iron or wooden bed frames, vintage lamps, lace curtains, soft rugs, and decorative pillows. The goal is to create a peaceful retreat filled with comfort. Next, lighting. Lighting should feel warm and gentle. Popular lighting choices: table lamps with fabric shades, candles, vintage candelights, wall sconces, and fairy lights. Soft lighting helps create the cozy cottage atmosphere. Why people love this style? People enjoy vintage cottage decor because it feels relaxing and comforting, brings nostalgic beauty into the home, encourages solo and simple living, mixes elegance with coziness, makes the spaces feel personal and unique. This style works beautifully in small homes, apartments, cottages, and even modern houses that want a softer and more welcoming look. Vintage cottage inspired home decor is more than just a decorating style. It is a lifestyle that celebrates comfort, simplicity, handmade beauty, and timeless charm. It creates a peaceful home filled with warmth, soft textures, and meaningful details collected over time. The heart of vintage cottage style. This style is inspired by old countryside cottages, English country homes, vintage farmhouse interiors, grandmother style cozy spaces, romantic rustic living. The goal is not perfection. Instead, the beauty comes from layered textures, antique character, gentle colors, comfortable furniture, personal decorative touches. Homes decorated in this style often feel calm, nostalgic, and welcoming. Uses natural and handmade beauty. Vintage cottage decor loves handmade and natural elements because they make a home feel authentic and lived in. Popular handmade touches include crochet blankets, embroidered pillow covers, handmade pottery, knitted throws, lace table runners, DIY floral arrangements. Natural materials are also important. Use wood, linen, cotton, stone, wicker, rattan. These materials help create a soft and earthy atmosphere. Layering decor. Layering is one of the secrets of vintage cottage decorating. Instead of keeping rooms minimal, this style adds warmth through layers. Use layered bedding, multiple throw pillows, stacked books, rugs over wooden floors, decorative chairs, mixed fabrics and textures. The room should feel cozy without feeling crowded. Vintage furniture charm. Furniture often has an aged appearance with beautiful imperfections. Popular furniture styles: distressed white cabinets, antique side tables, carved wooden chairs, vintage vanities, rustic hutches, and farmhouse dining tables. Many people enjoy mixing old and new pieces together for balance. Furniture details often include carved wood, brass handles, floral upholstery, faded paint finishes. Cottage kitchen atmosphere. The kitchen is usually warm, inviting, and full of personality. Common vintage cottage kitchen ideas: use open shelves displaying dishes, glass jars filled with ingredients, use wooden utensils, hanging jarred flowers or herbs, vintage teapots, soft floral curtains. Fresh flowers and baked goods are often part of the cozy cottage feeling. Romantic bedroom styling. Bedrooms are designed to feel dreamy and restful. Popular bedroom decor: floral quilts, soft white bedding, iron bed frames, vintage mirrors, bedside lamps, lace curtains, and candlelight accents. Soft fabrics and gentle colors help create a peaceful atmosphere. Seasonal decorating. Vintage cottage homes often change slightly with the season. Spring, use fresh flowers, pastel colors, and light fabrics. For summer, use natural textures, linen curtains, wildflowers arrangements. For autumn, use warm blankets, pumpkins, or thick colors. For winter, use candles, knitted throws, pine greenery, and cozy lighting. Seasonal touches help the home feel alive and inviting all year. Small details matter. In vintage cottage decor, tiny details make a big difference. Examples: an old teacup on a shelf, a wicker basket filled with blankets, a lace curtain blowing in the window, a stack of vintage books, fresh flowers in a ceramic pictures. These simple details create charm and personality. The emotional feeling of the style. Vintage cottage decor is loved because it creates a slower and calmer atmosphere, a feeling of comfort and nostalgia, a connection to handmade beauty, a cozy escape from busy modern life. It turns the house into a peaceful and welcoming home, filled with warmth, softness, and timeless character. Vintage cottage inspired home decor combines romance, comfort, nostalgia, and rustic elegance into one cozy decorating style. It is inspired by old countryside cottages, where every room feels warm, peaceful, and filled with personality. The style focuses on creating a home that feels collected over time, instead of perfectly modern or overly designed. The storytelling beauty of vintage cottage decor on a special thing about vintage cottage style is that every object seems to tell a story. Old furniture, antique dishes, handmade blankets, and faded books all add history and character to the home. Instead of matching everything perfectly, this style mixes old and new pieces, soft fabrics and rustic oud, elegant details and simple comfort, antique treasures and handmade decor. This mixture creates a natural and lived-in atmosphere. The cottagecore influence. Modern vintage cottage decor is closely connected to cottagecore aesthetic. Cottagecore celebrates solo living, natural, gardening, baking, handmade crafts, cozy daily routines. Because of this influence, many vintage cottage homes include wildflowers, herb gardens, handmade crochet beaches, vintage aprons, tea sets, rustic kitchen accessories. These details make the home feel peaceful and connected to nature. Decorating with antique finds. Antique and thrifted items are important in this decorating style because they add authenticity and charm. Popular vintage finds include weathered picture frames, old mirrors, antique clocks, ceramic pictures, brass candle holders, wooden plates, vintage books, floral china sets. Even small antique accessories can make a room feel warm and timeless. The importance of floral patterns. Floral designs are one of the signature elements of vintage cottage decor. You often see floral prints on curtains, bedding, wallpaper, pillow covers, tablecloths, and upholstered chairs. Soft roses, wildflowers, and faded botanical patterns are especially popular. These floral details help create a romantic and feminine atmosphere. Cozy living room ideas. A vintage cottage living room usually feels soft, layered, and relaxing. Common features: overstuffed sofas, crochet blankets, wooden coffee tables, stacked vintage books, soft rugs, candle lanterns, and fresh flowers in vases. The room is designed for comfort and quiet moments. Bringing nature indoors. Nature plays a very important role in this style. Popular natural elements: fresh flowers, dried lavender, olive branches, indoor plants, wooden furniture, stone accessories, and wicker baskets. Natural sunlight is also important. Vintage cottage homes often use light curtains, large windows, soft airy fabrics. This helps rooms feel bright and peaceful. Creating a collected look, Vintage Cottage homes rarely look overly polished. Instead, they feel thoughtfully collected over many years. To create this look, mix different wood tones, use layered textiles, combine old and handmade items, display meaningful accessories. Decorate slowly over time. The goal is comfort and personality rather than perfection. Why this style feels timeless? Vintage Cottage Decor never fully goes out of style because it focuses on comfort, warmth, and emotional connection rather than trends. People love it because it feels peaceful and relaxing, creates a welcoming atmosphere, encourages simple living, highlights handmade beauty, makes everyday spaces feel special. It transforms ordinary rooms into cozy retreats filled with softness, nostalgia, and timeless countryside charm. Thanks for watching this video.